I'm gonna put that in and people are gonna be like, the fuck. Yeah. Hi, and welcome back to another episode of giving my dogs things that they don't need. Today on the episode, we have puppuccinos. This is only the second puppuccino. My hand is all up in the way. This is only the second puppuccino they've ever gotten, because normally I'm mean and I don't let them have things. So here we go. Look, Khaleesi, get that one. Khaleesi, over here. Over here. We'll give Sidra his. Oh, and that's Evelyn. Say hi to YouTube, Evelyn.
Hi, YouTube.
We are here. Did not record any of the drive here. Just imagine that our conversations were amazing, witty and riveting, and it was a jolly old time. And now we're at the trail and we're gonna get out and go, because you know the dogs are always impatient. So yeah. Me, always with my not suitable shoes. Let me try to record this deer. We're gonna try to walk. I don't think they're gonna come barreling down the side of this thing. I mean, I know deer have really good footing, but I don't think they're gonna run down this thing to try to attack us. The description for this trail said that we were gonna see a really big boulder that was like a glacial, what did it say? Glacial something, erect. Glacial erect from eons past. So every time I see a boulder, I'm always like, is that the boulder? Is that the boulder?
You wanna die?
Hey! Is it a trap?
I don't know.
I feel like it is very, like, perfectly placed.
Who's watching us?
Are we on Punk'd? No, I'm kidding. But I mean, yeah, I'll take $1. Why not? Hey, come up. Ooh. Little jar jar do. Dirty. I'm gonna put that in and people are gonna be like, the fuck. Okay, so we are on our way down. I don't think ever saw the boulder. We saw several boulders, but I don't think we saw the boulder. We did not see another waterfall, and we didn't make it to the lake. I'm good. But it's okay.